Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. It means teaching computers to learn from data without explicit programming. In traditional programming, we write fixed rules and the computer follows them. But in machine learning, we do not write all the rules. Instead, we give the computer a large amount of data. The computer studies this data and finds patterns by itself. For example, in email spam detection, we give the system many examples of spam and normal emails. The machine learns the difference between them. Later, it can automatically decide whether a new email is spam or not. So, machine learning allows computers to learn from experience, improve their performance, and make intelligent decisions without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is needed because traditional programming fails for complex problems. In traditional programming, we must write exact rules for every situation. This works well for simple tasks like calculations or sorting numbers. But it becomes very difficult when the problem is complex and conditions keep changing. For example, in face recognition, the same face can appear in different light, angle, and expression. It is impossible to write rules for all these variations. In speech recognition, people speak with different accents, speed, and background noise. Traditional rules cannot handle all these cases. In fraud detection, fraud patterns change again and again. Fixed rules quickly become useless. So, machine learning is required to learn from data, handle complexity, and solve problems where traditional programming fails. The basic workflow of machine learning consists of 4 main steps. The first step is to collect data. In this step, we gather a large amount of relevant data, such as images, text, audio, or numerical values. Good quality data is very important for building a good model. The second step is to train the model. Here, the collected data is given to a learning algorithm. The computer studies the data, finds patterns, and builds a trained model based on this learning. The third step is to test the model. In this step, we give new data to the model, which was not used during training. This helps us check the accuracy and performance of the model. The final step is to predict the output. Now, the trained model is used on real new data to make predictions or take decisions automatically. Machine learning is mainly divided into 3 types. These are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. First, supervised learning uses labeled data. This means that for every input, the correct output is already known. The model learns from these examples and predicts correct results. It is commonly used for classification and regression problems. Second, unsupervised learning works within labeled data. Here, no correct answers are given to the system. The model tries to find hidden patterns and groups in the data by itself. This type is mainly used for clustering and data analysis. Third, reinforcement learning is based on trial and error. The system learns by taking actions and receiving rewards or penalties. Over time, it learns the best actions to achieve its goal. Machine learning is widely used in many real-life fields today. One important application is in healthcare. Here, machine learning helps doctors to detect diseases early, analyze medical images, and predict patient risks accurately. Another major field is finance. In finance, machine learning is used to detect fraud, approve loans, and predict stock market trends. This helps banks and companies to reduce losses and make better financial decisions. In education, machine learning supports personalized learning. It analyzes student performance and recommends suitable learning content to improve the learning experience of students. In e-commerce, machine learning is used to recommend products, understand customer behavior, and increase online sales. Finally, in transportation, machine learning helps in traffic control, route planning, and developing. Machine learning is the key technology behind modern artificial intelligence. It allows computers to learn from data, improve with experience, and make intelligent decisions automatically. Without machine learning, most AI systems we use today would not be possible. It helps computers recognize faces, understand speech, translate languages, and detect fraud. Machine learning solves complex problems where traditional programming cannot. And as more data becomes available, models keep improving over time. Today, it plays an important role in healthcare, finance, education, transportation, and many other fields. In the future, machine learning will make technology even smarter, helping society in ways we cannot yet imagine. Clearly, machine learning powers modern AI and shapes the future of intelligent technology.